my channel Things Unboxing for you. So if you have a Wi-Fi dead zone in your house and places where the Wi-Fi is really slow and it doesn't have much range, so this is the best solution which you can get. This is TP-Link's range extender. The model is WA85ORE and the price of this is 1000 rupees. I've purchased this from Amazon and this is from TP-Link, and the best thing is it is compatible with all the Wi-Fi routers. So what this basically does is, as you can see in this picture over here, if the Wi-Fi router is here and this range extender is kept at such a place, it will extend the range of the router and you will get good connectivity afterwards. So here is what is written in the box. So let's quickly unbox this. So let's see the box contents. Okay, so you get this kind of protecting case for it. That's it. So this is what you get in the box. You get an installation guide, get some booklet, and then here is the range extender. Just in one piece. So what you have to do is you have to just connect this to the plug outlet and you have to switch it on, and then once you have done all the settings and connected it to your Wi-Fi, the circle over here detects how good the connectivity is. As you can see over here, if this light glows, it indicates power is there, and then the other side shows how good the connectivity is. So let's connect it and check the difference before. So right now the place where I'm recording this video has really slow internet speed, and I'll show you a speed test now, and then we'll install this and then we'll see the speed test and check if any difference is there. And below this you have the Ethernet port, and then you have the reset button. Let's keep it here and let's have a speed test before we go to the next step. So guys, here is the device in which we are going to do the speed test. So the Wi-Fi here is really slow in this area. So when I click on go, let's first see the internet speed. So in this room we are getting around 1 to 2 Mbps and it's keep on reducing, while in the other room it's around 60 Mbps. So let's install the TP-Link range extender and then let's see. So guys, there are 3 ways to set this up given in the user guide. So I'll do the first method, which is really simple. So let's go. So guys, as it is written in the step, you have to go next to the Wi-Fi router. So I'm right next to my router, and then you have to plug this in. There you go, I've plugged it in, the lights turn on. So as you can see, only the power is showing light. Then the next step is you have to click the WPS button, which will be behind your router. You have to press it, and then once you press it, you have to press the button on this. So now, to make sure it is done, the RE should be solid instead of blinking. So we'll wait for it to get connected successfully. So as you can see, it is not blinking now. That means it is connected properly. So once you check the Wi-Fi in any device, it will show the same Wi-Fi name with EXT written after it, and that is the one which is extended. So now I'm going to plug this out from here and keep it near my room where the Wi-Fi was really slow. So guys, now I'm back in my room. I'm going to plug this in. and the lights turn on. So guys, now all the steps are done, and now you have to connect to your Wi-Fi with this range extender. It will be the same name with EXT written after it, and then it'll ask you for the password, and the password will be the same as before. So guys, I have connected it, and as you can see, this was the previous internet speed of 0.77 Mbps. Let's do the speed test again. Guys, so now you can see there's a huge difference, amazing difference that you can see. Like from 1 Mbps it came up to 25 Mbps using the range extender. So guys, from 1 Mbps to 27 Mbps is a good difference which was made by this range extender. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to buy this product, the link is down there, you can buy it, and smash the subscribe button too. Thanks for watching.